In this video, I'll show you how you can stop your AirPods from being tracked.
Okay, so how we do that is going to depend on the make and model of your AirPods, but essentially what we're going to be doing is factory resetting it, so all of the details will be erased and nobody will be able to track it or find it if you are selling it, right? So what you want to do is open up the lid for your AirPods and you'll see the light come on. This amber light is probably already there for you, and it means that they're connected. Now, if you've got a button on the back of your AirPods, you want to hold that down, and when you hold it down, it's going to blink and it's essentially going to reset. Now, if you're on a newer model of the AirPods, all you have to do is tap a couple of times and you'll notice that it starts flashing. Now, you want it flashing white here, and we can then close this. And on your phone, once you factory reset it, it's not going to say your AirPods anymore. It will just say AirPods, right? And this is a sign that you factory reset it. So again, hold down the button on the back if you've got one. If you haven't, lift up the lid and keep double tapping onto it until it goes white flashing, which means it has been reset. And then you compare it to another iPhone just like it was brand new.